Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. Car originally doesn't come with a navigation system. We replaced this one 9 inches OEM fit in-dash navigation system. This system fully compatible with the original USB. The USB is right here and it's fully compatible, and also this one also fully compatible with the original camera if it comes with your car. If your car doesn't come with the original camera, you can also install the aftermarket camera and connect to the system as well. This system also fully compatible with the steering wheel control. Everything is fully compatible. This one also comes with the Bluetooth music as well. This one comes with the built-in navigation system. This one does not require any Wi-Fi, it's built in. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can also use the traffic update feature of this system. However, if you don't connect to the Wi-Fi, it's just the regular navigation system. How to use the navigation system? Just click on the bottom right corner, new road, and then you can just enter the address here. If you want to turn on the toll roll or turn off the toll roll, you can click on this one, setting, road preference. You can also turn on the toll roll from here. Other than that, this one also comes with Bluetooth music, Bluetooth phone call. And it also comes with the radio as well. This one also comes with the video in motion. Since this system also comes with Wi-Fi, if you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can also access some of the features like internet browser right here, and also preload some of the software like Netflix is right here too. You can also use the Netflix if you have the Netflix account. Other than that, you can also install the software like the SiriusXM, Spotify, Waze, YouTube. But all these kind of features, they require the Wi-Fi as well. The point of this system is it's really nice because this one will give up the player feature, and this one also comes with the speed right here. You will also connect to the GPS antenna and show up the speed on the screen. This one also comes with the voice control, Google voice control as well. If you want, you can also add the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can also download any application system from the Google Play Store right here. You can also download the Prime Music or Prime Video. It's pretty very nice, and it also comes with the high definition screen as well. For example, you can also play the video right here.
I am human evolutionary change. Bulletproof. Superhuman.
Okay. Other than that, this one system also comes with the equalizer, built-in equalizer right here. You can also adjust the equalizer according to your personal preference. This is the setting. I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi. Just go to setting, network. When you turn on the hotspot, and then you can also connect to the Wi-Fi right here. Other than that, you can also change the wallpaper. Just go to display, change the brightness level here. Wallpaper is right here. And other than that, you can also change some of the setting, like the car setting right here. You don't need to change the setting of the steering wheel control because it's plug and play. It's controlled by a module. And driving setting is right here. You can turn on the watching video while you're driving, or because of the safety, you can turn off this feature. So you cannot watch the movie while you're driving if you turn on this feature, okay? And then you can also go to extra setting right here. You can also set the sleep time, and then reverse sun is right here. We will preset all the software for you, okay? So once you receive the system, it just plug and play. If you have any question about this fantastic system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.